If you ever need to quickly translate Spanish to English, ChatGPT can make the whole process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. So whether you're translating a sentence, a paragraph, or even a full message, you can get a clean English version in seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once ChatGPT is open, you're ready to start your translation. Now go to the Spanish text that you want to translate and copy it. For example, you might have something simple like, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Or you might have a longer message, email, or document written in Spanish. Paste that text into the chat box. This is where ChatGPT will read the content and prepare to translate it for you. After you paste the Spanish text, type your prompt clearly. You can simply say, translate this into English. That's enough for ChatGPT to understand exactly what you want. If you want, you can also be a little more specific and say things like, translate this into natural English, or translate this into formal English, depending on the style you need. Then press enter and let ChatGPT do the work. In just a few moments, it will give you the English translation. What's nice is that you can keep going if you need more help. For example, if the translation sounds too formal, you can ask ChatGPT to make it more natural or more conversational. If you need it to sound professional for work, you can tell it to rewrite it in a business tone. If you're translating for school or practice, you can even ask it to explain each sentence so you can better understand the Spanish. Another helpful tip is to paste larger sections in smaller chunks if the text is long. That can make it easier to review and compare the original Spanish with the English result. You can also ask ChatGPT to keep the meaning exact, which is useful if you don't want the translation to change the message. So the process is really that simple. Open ChatGPT, paste the Spanish text, and type, translate this into English. That's all it takes to get a quick translation without switching tools or using a separate translator. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.